How to send quick videos on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send quick videos on WhatsApp, which is a new update, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, open your Play Store and then simply search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, check if the WhatsApp app has an update available and then make sure to just tap on it and update it to the latest version. So let us wait until WhatsApp application has been updated. Once it has been updated to the latest version, open it up like this. And once you open it up, just head over to any chat that you can be able to find it. Once you head over to any chat over here, what you want to do is, by default, if you want to send a quick audio recording, you long press on it, right? But if you want to send a quick video, tap on this feature once. And now you can see hold to record video, tap to switch to audio. So all you have to do is just hold to record it like this. Once you hold to record it, you can also actually switch to the front camera or the back camera depending upon what you like. And once you've done that, you'll now be able to go ahead and then send this recording to that specific person, and then the quick video is going to get sent like this, as you would be able to find it, and that person can go ahead and then view this in their format as well. This way you'll be able to send a quick video, which is a new update. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.